Is your baby unsettled and seems to be crying a lot? Did you know that there is so much you can do to soothe, settle and relax your baby through massage and nurturing touch? My name's Lucy Johns. I'm a baby massage and reflexology instructor, and I've helped countless parents and carers soothe, calm and relax their babies with specific massage and reflexology techniques and yoga movements and comforting holds that are designed to soothe and settle. I've created this fun and comprehensive online course for you to learn these very easy, practical and accomplished techniques that will not only help you to soothe and settle your baby, but for other discomforts and common childhood issues. The course comes with a practical illustrated guide and dedicated routines for soothing and settling. There is so much more on the course to benefit you and your baby in terms of relieving pain, easing digestive discomforts, and also just to have a lovely bonding, fun and nurturing time together. So if this sounds like something that's going to help you and your baby, click on the link and I'll see you there soon.
And then we are going to